Cindy, I'm trying to do a vlog here about you and thanking the people. I just want to thank the Hamilton Burlington SPCA also for the card. If you're looking to adopt an animal, go to Hamilton Burlington SPCA. The staff are more than nice there. Thank you for the lovely card, and let's continue the regular vlog by going up to my grandparents' house. Hey, yeah, so I'm at my grandparents' house for vlog 19. It's super cold out, as you can see. Look at that. There's still snow on the ground. Oh no.
Grayson?
Yeah? Yeah?
11:30.
Yeah, it is 11:30.
I didn't realize that. I thought it was 10:30. Look at this one.
There's a lot of weight on it.
Because it's a Rolex, that's why. I gotta get it repaired.
One sec.
The thing doesn't work. No, don't do that. It's not working anyhow right now. It's not even moving, is it? I gotta fix I gotta put a handle. Gotta fix my handle.
Why don't you just buy a new one?
Are you kidding me? Where do I find a new one? Hey, can I start cooking now or that?
What are you cooking now?
Goulash. And at the end I put Maggi in. Yeah. Yeah, but an hour behind sketch. Last time it was 11:30. Oh, fuck. And it's already 12:30. Shit, I just burned myself. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye. Next to nothing.
I eat a lot.
Not even half a potato you eat. Okay, this is no good. You gotta put some weight on you. Always show this way the dogs don't go to it.
I gotta get going though pretty soon.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Go with God, but go.
Can I have a bag for the...
Underneath the sink.
Right now, come here.
What's that?
Underneath the sink.
Oh gosh. Here. I'm going home for my vlog 19 now. What's wrong with the cat?
She pees all over the place.
So what?
No!
Let her in.
No! Out! Kick it when you go out. Put it away with your foot. Go out.
I know. Hi, Heidi. Okay. So we're just moving materials into my car right now. No, I'm good. I'm good like this.
Yeah. What the hell is them picking up?
Alright, I'm out of here.
Okay, my Grayson. Have a good day.
You too. Thanks for lunch.
There's still a box full of lint traps here, okay?